Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, today we're going to create a double stretchy bracelet, and we're going to use a Design by Me by Jessie James beads. If you haven't seen my previous video, the haul at Walmart, this was found at Walmart, and I believe there were $5.97 or 47 cents, something like that. They were very inexpensive. Some of them are plastic or acrylic, and some of them are glass, and it has like a little leather tassel. So let's look in here and see what we can create, because some of them are very they're more for earrings instead of for actual bracelet. So let's see what we can get. I apologize for the air conditioning that's on, and it's very loud, but I'm going to try to do this video as best as I can without screaming to you guys. Okay, so here's a little tassel. I think this is so cute. And I love these hexagons, or however you want to call them, but I don't think they're going to be practical on a bracelet. They might be better for earrings, so I'm going to put those aside. I definitely want to use the tassel. I also have these beautiful dangly glass balls with like little stars in it. I think that also can be used for earrings. So let me see. I mean, this has so many big beads in it that we can definitely get creative. Definitely going to use the flowers, definitely going to use all these round beads and the square and rectangular ones. I think all these I can use. I might be able to use these as well, unless I want to use them for an earring, but I think I might be able to use those too. So as many beads as I have here, I know my wrist is 7 inches, so that's going to be a 14-inch bracelet, but with stretchy, you know how they stretch, and you can make them more comfortable. I'm going to try to do a double, stretchy bracelet, but I definitely think I'm going to need some beads, and I'm going to put some of these E-beads or seed beads, this is 6-0, somewhere in between them, so I can create more space with them. So I'm going to definitely see how this is going to be done. And if you remember my previous video, this was the only thing I could find at Walmart, and that's exactly what I'm using. Okay, so will I need any tools? Maybe just with the tassel. Maybe I need a jump ring, because I really wanted to dangle. If I put this through the actual stretchy cord, it's just going to be sticking out on however the bracelet sits. So maybe I can use a ring here to definitely give it a little bit of more movement. So definitely. So I'm going to put these away. So I'm not sure I'm using these, but I am using the rest of the beads that I have here. And I'm going to drop a couple of these on my mat. This is going to have no rhyme or reason. I'm just going to pick them randomly, although they are they have very similar ones. So why isn't this coming out? There you go. I'm just going to drop a few of them here, and as I go, I'm just going to put it on. It doesn't matter. It's just going to be a bracelet that's going to look beautiful no matter how we create it. Okay, so how much do I need of this stretchy cord? To be honest with you, I don't know. Because here's the thing. You want to measure enough to where you can have enough left to tie your knot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work off the reel, and I'm just going to put it all in there, and as I go, I'm going to measure it. And I think that's the best way to work this bracelet. So I'm just going to pull some there, and I'm just going to start putting beads through it. Very simple. Just put some however you want to do that. Because my nails are so long, I have to do it like this. Okay, no complaints there, because I love my nails. Let's just keep putting them in there and see how that's gonna come out. No rhyme or reason. I'm just putting them in and see how this is gonna come out. I should have put a couple of these though in between those, but that's okay. Let's put a couple of them. I hope you can see. I hope my camera is focusing on the right spot. So let me check that really quick. Yeah, I think I can see it from there. Ooh, let's see if I can find the hole in this one. Okay, there we go. These beads are just so pretty the way they are. You know, you can put them however you want, but I think they're so beautiful. Okay, let's keep finding other beads to put them in. And because of this 0.8 millimeter stretchy cord, then that's just, I hope that just works. Let's put another one of these. Just put them in there. So you can just do whatever you want, and that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to put a bunch of beads in here, and then I am going to come back to you and we can check the workout. Okay, so I have put all my beads in the stretchy band, which obviously looks like I could do a 3 wrap around stretchy band, because I can't even show you. Look at this. Is that all the beads? This would have been a beautiful necklace. I think it's gorgeous the way it is. What I'm going to fix here is, at the beginning, you remember that I had put this without a seed bead in here. So when I cut this side, I'm just going to put a seed bead right there. But let me show you. Let me put these back again in the container. Okay, so I left one for this piece right here that I'm going to do. Okay, so let's test this out. And wow, this is so gorgeous. I can't stop saying that this is so gorgeous. So let's see how this works out. I'm going to grab it with this hand right here. Let's see how many turns I can do. So there's 1. There's 2. Well, 2 would be perfect, but I have extra beads in here that I could probably take out, because otherwise this will be, I can't do the whole 3, the third stretchy band. So I'm going to have to take away at least these right here so I can make it a 2. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to take all of these out. Okay, because I really don't need them for the bracelet, at least not right now. Okay, and I'm leaving one because remember, I'm using it for this one. So let's do this again. Let's go back here. I'm going to hold it with this hand right here because I need to know, and I don't have something to hold it for me. So that'll be 1 and 2, and I think that's perfect, so it's not too tight on my wrist. Okay, now the one thing I didn't tell you guys, I should have told you before, but when you get stretchy cord, remember, stretch it before you start putting beads in the cord. Okay, but I had done that previously, so I'm okay with it. But before you always do your bracelets on stretchy cord, stretch the cord. You don't want that cord stretching afterwards, because then you'll have a problem with the bracelet. Okay, so I'm going to cut this right here. I have enough here where I can do my knot, so I have enough on this side and enough on this side. So I need to get my cutters, and let me do that really quick. Okay, I'm just going to cut it right there. Okay, and this is how I'm going to do my knot. It's an overhand knot. Okay, overhand knot. Oh, I'm sorry, before I do that, jump the gun, I got to put this bead in here. Okay, let's do that really quick. Put that last bead that I need right there. Let's put this one, and this is my other one. Okay, here we go. And this one here. Okay, so I'm going to do an overhand knot. Okay, so here's one. I'm trying to make it, I hope you can see that. Okay, like if you were tying your shoes, one time, and then you hold it and stretch it right there in place. Okay, and then the second one I'm going to do is I'm going to go one time under it. Okay, one time. When it comes out the other way, I'm going to go in again a second time. Okay, and this should be more than enough. I don't use glue or anything. If you feel like that's gonna come off, you can do another one. It's not necessary, but I'm gonna do it just so you can see. 1 and again 2 before I start pulling it. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut because this is gonna hide inside that bead. Okay, okay, here's your bracelet, and now here's your double bracelet. Okay, and we still have to put the tassel. Look how beautiful that looks. That looks so pretty. I love it. Oh, look, I didn't even meant for that to happen, but it did. That is so pretty. Let's see. Yes, look at that. Wow. Oh, look, these two are together. And these two, I didn't do that on purpose. I promise you, it just happened. I think this bracelet is going to be so cute. Okay, so let's put the tassel. It doesn't matter really where you want that tassel to go. So let's find a jump ring. Let's see this little packet. Remember the little packet I bought? There's some jump rings in there. So let's do that. And I just need, let's see, 1 or 2. I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm going to pull 2 out because right now I just want to make sure that I'm able to put that jump ring in. It has some movement in it. So remember, jump ring front to back. Okay, front to back. If I put this right here and then put it through here, it doesn't matter where you're going to put it. Just put it anywhere that you feel you want it. Just right in there. Let's see how that one looks. Front to back again and close that jump ring. Okay, there we go. Let's see if that has enough movement. It does. Let's see when it's on. See how it's kind of stiff there? I'm going to put another jump ring in there because I want it to have more movement. So very patiently, you grab your pliers and we're just going to open that jump ring again. Excuse me. Okay, front to back. When I take this out, I'm going to put the next jump ring in place because that's the one I'm going to open. Close this jump ring, okay? And then this is the one I'm going to open. Front to back, don't forget that. I'm going to put it in there. And now it's just going to be a little bit, that movement is going to be nicer. Okay, so there we go. Let's try this one more time. Okay, there we go. That's what I want on that tassel. You can put as many as you want. You can put additional charms in there. I could have even taken that hexagon that's in this packet and put it here with it, but I think it's too much. I think right there, it's something that I truly like. I think it turned out so gorgeous. It's an easy bracelet to do. It's just patience on how you put everything together. Like these two ended up together, and these two, it was just, you know, something that just happened. Wasn't meant to be. No rhyme or reason. So you guys, I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you like my channel, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell to notify you of future videos. Leave me your comments down below if you ever did a bracelet like this, or if you're creating one. I hope it was helpful, and until next time, God bless.